Billy Graham died on February 21, 2018 at the age of 99. The Catholic Church has over 37,000 priests. Southern Baptist Convention has over 51,000 ministers. There are approximately 84,000 non-denominational ministers. Larry King asked Billy Graham, with so many Catholic priests and Christian ministers, why was he one of the most successful Christian ministers in America? Billy Graham told Larry King a story about how he was the outside front man and he had an inside man that he attributed to much of his overwhelming success, named George Wilson, who focused on finances, collections, controlling overhead, expenses, and managing construction, who was instrumental in the organizational aspects of Graham's ministry during its formative years, ensuring financial accountability and operational efficiency. One day, George walked into Billy's office while he was preparing a sermon and asked Billy if he thought their new church should seat 100 people or 200 people. Billy said, "How would I know? That's your job. I'm preparing the sermons and you're in charge of the finances. If you don't know, then I need to find someone else that does know." From that day forward, they each knew they had separation of duties that helped establish the foundation for the Billy Graham Evangelistic Association, including the construction and management of Graham's early church projects, so Billy could focus on reading the Bible, writing sermons, and preaching. When I look at the most successful dentists, they always have this arrangement. That inside business partner is usually either a spouse or an office manager. In the early days, it is so important not to settle. You may come to realize someday that the interview process for your spouse in the backseat of a Chevy did not include the proper questions regarding their core competencies in operations, marketing, treatment plan presentation, sales, finances, accounting, human relations, customer service, information technology, strategic planning, legal and compliance, and R&D. Some decided they need to upgrade their spouse with a well-trained dental office manager. My HR strategy comes from the late genius Steve Jobs, who said, "It doesn't make sense to hire smart people and then tell them what to do. We hire smart people so they can tell us what to do." This highlights the importance of hiring talented individuals who bring their own expertise, creativity, and initiative to drive the organization forward. It emphasizes empowering employees rather than micromanaging employees. Again, never settle. Would you settle for a quarterback that you know could never take you to the playoffs, let alone to the Super Bowl, and win it? After a few seasons, you know when it's time to keep interviewing. Out of 28 NFL quarterbacks selected in the first round between 2011 and 2019, only 12, 43%, received a second contract with their drafting team. The success rate for quarterbacks drafted in the rounds 2 to 7 is even lower, with only 12% making it to the Pro Bowl. How much stress, chaos, and financial underperformance do you need before you realize that you do not have a winning team? Even if you think you have a winning team, don't relax and take your eye off the ball. Approximately 20% of Super Bowl winning teams fail to make the playoffs in the following season. This trend, often referred to as the Super Bowl hangover, highlights the challenges teams face in maintaining peak performance after a championship victory. The 2011 Los Angeles Rams won Super Bowl LV1, 56, but finished the next season with a 5-12 record, making the most losses for a defending champion in NFL history. Do not remind my buddy Dr. Rick Kirshner, the founder and CEO of Comfort Dental, about the 2015 Denver Broncos, who secured Super Bowl 50 victory but missed the playoffs the following year with a 9-7 record. When it comes to HR, the job is never done. It's always something. It's always changing. Managing people is like managing the ocean. It's always in motion, unpredictable, and never truly finished. Every individual brings their own waves of complexity, making HR a constant ongoing challenge. When hiring new employees, it's important to focus on attributes that align with your organization's values and contribute to its success. Key attributes to look for include Warren Buffett's famous quote about what he looks for in a partner or employee is, "We look for 3 things when we hire people: intelligence, energy, and integrity. And if they don't have the last one, the first 2 are going to kill you." Without integrity, intelligence and energy can lead to unethical or harmful actions. This reflects Buffett's emphasis on character over skills alone. Adaptability, the ability to learn quickly and adjust to new challenges. Comfort with change and willingness to embrace innovation. Strong work ethic, dedication to producing quality work consistently, reliable, results-driven mindset, positive attitude, enthusiasm, and optimism, even in challenging situations. A team-oriented mindset that fosters collaboration, problem solving, creativity in addressing challenges or inefficiencies, communication skills, both verbal and written communication, ability to listen actively and engage with others respectfully, cultural fit, aligned with your company's mission, vision, and values, ability to thrive within the organization's unique environment, accountability, taking responsibility for their actions, openness to feedback and commitment to personal growth, passion and drive, teamwork, willingness to collaborate and contribute to collective goals, respect for diverse perspectives and abilities, technical skills or expertise, proficiencies in specific skills required for the role, a desire to continuously and develop and expand their expertise. By prioritizing these attributes, you can build a team of individuals who not only excel in their roles, but also contribute to the overall success and growth in your business. If you enjoyed this episode of Howard Speaks, please like, subscribe, share, and comment below. I do read all of your comments. I appreciate you, your thoughts, and support. So be good and have a rocking great day.